My name is DerekZalez, and we are here reporting live in New York City, currently during a snow blizzard. There is high winds, it's high ass, oh shit! It is negative 45 degrees. I'm not gonna lie, it's a ripe temperature of absolutely brickness outside. It is mad brick outside. Stay indoors. Don't even try to sneaky link your ex. It's not a good idea. I ain't gonna lie. It's dumbass brick. There's literally I'm currently here providing daily weather reports for the day one of the New York City shit. Hold on, the blizzard. Oh shit! New York City, ladies and gentlemen, it's currently a blizzard. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't breathe. Ladies and gentlemen, it's brick outside. Ladies and gentlemen, it's brick. Yo, shit. Oh fuck. Hold my cameraman down. Okay, hold on. I have to put my hoodie on, bro. My ears are actually freezing. Hold on. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna have to whip out the big guns, son. We're gonna have to whip out the big guns, my hearts. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have to whip out the, you know, shit. We gotta go shiesty mode, you know what I'm saying? Yo! You know what's crazy? I'm walking in the middle of the road because there's literally no cars outside. Everybody inside. My dumb ass tried to come outside, Shay. Wait, hold on. Peep this. Put it in that work right there. Look, he put it in that work. Oh my gosh. I'm traversing through the fucking, look at this. I feel like it's a Polish, but look at this. Damn, Shane. Damn, Shane. Damn, Shane. Oh shit. Almost busted my ass. Oh fuck. Okay, hold on. I'm switching the camera back. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Bro, my fingers are actually freezing. Smell like some grass. Smell like some of that grass. The crusty pizza is the pizza for you and me. Hold on, boys. Look, it's the ops. It's ice. Wait, is that normal? That shit is swinging. Is that normal or no? The shit is like swinging around. Is that normal? Go to the bodega and ask the height. Bro, none of the bodegas is open, Sean. Look. That's one right there. It's not open, Sean. Nothing open. Everybody indoors. I'm the only dumbass that decided to go outside. Yo, I've been outside for like 3 hours waiting for the damn bus. Yo, this motherfucker taking his sweet ass time. Hurry your ass up. It's brick outside. It's not even brick. It's now weather. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, by the way, if somebody pulls up from behind me, y'all gotta tell me, bro. Because I live in the hood. Okay? We're reporting live from twitch.tv/DerekZalez. I'm currently in the middle of a New York City blizzard. It is not brick outside, my friends. It is nah, okay? So everybody stay home, okay? There is high winds, is high ass. Oh, shit! This brick. Stay inside, folks. We're out here doing weather report for you guys, okay? You know what I'm saying? I'm a trooper. I do this shit. I'm built for this shit, bruh. I do this shit. Bitch, I've been going like that in the jars, applying the wood like Elijah. Indica smoking on indica, my fucker running a palm of Elijah. They said the life is a bit, and that is the case, and I finish a prize. No man, not an advisor. I do advisor. To pay attention, never need to mention that motherfucker busted heads. Finna put it to the ledge. Yeah, been smoking my meds. Ain't got no love for the feds. Stay still. I'm a trooper, though. All my life, I've been through this shit before, bro. I'm used to New York City weather. Oh, shit. I can't breathe. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Ah, my knee. I don't know if these shits work or not. But if you're from New York, if you're from New York, you know what this is right here. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the 2026 New York City Olympics. My name is DerekZalez, and I will be attempting to run the thickest, longest snow trail in the Bronx. Let me show y'all real quick. I will be running this entire thing, my friend. Oh shit, the boys is out, Shine. Oh, they about to hit me, Bumbo. They about to hit me, Shine? Oh shit. Oh shit, they about to hit me. Well, that's the boys. Thank you for your service, my heart. Thank you for your service. My name is DerekZalez, and I'll be attempting to run the thickest, okay, with a capital, trail in all of New York City and the Bronx, my friends. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh shit! That was a good idea. Ah, my face. Ah. Ah. Oh, my face. Ah. Ah. There's snow in my ear. I'm hearing ice. Illegal. Fuck. Let me explain y'all what happened. So I was walking, boom, boom, boom. I started running right here. Bow. I was on good pace though. Look at this. This is like this is a Usain type speed right here. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. And then I and then I busted my ass right there. Sure. You see, I think those are my. I can't even tell what the fuck happened. I ain't gonna lie. Boss. Can I get a ride to the end? Can I get a ride to the end?
No, I'm going back.
But oh, you gonna do a spin right here? Ooh, shit. All right. Appreciate you. Damn. GG's. All right, we're back on the road. GG's. The crusty pizza is the pizza for you and me. You see, me personally, my hood is I live in the hood, so if I stay out for too long, I might get blasted. But the thing is, they not blasting you with bullets, they blasting you with fucking snowballs. So if I start, you know what? Fuck it. I say we get canceled and I just get a snowball and launch it at somebody. How about that? Fuck it. We going viral for the wrong reasons. Yo, somebody cueing some music for the subs. Hold on. What's a good song that I'm fucking with right now? Lick. I'm trying to eat your dick. He said, I think I swallowed twins. Mouth wide open, like I was at the dentist. This is literally like, for me, it's like a normal, like, it's like a fucking 10-minute walk maybe. But because of the snow, it's been exactly 45 minutes. Oh my gosh. Yo, my foot is fucking, yo. What is that? Oh my gosh. You're weird.
But judging by the weather, it may be soon.
You're weird. Nah, tacos sound fire right now, I'm gonna be honest. I ain't gonna lie, you know what sound fire right now? Some tacos de verga asada with some pica verga, with some agua de verga, with a side of some fried verga. I'm currently in the middle of Antarctica and under -40 degrees. It's actually -67 degrees and I'm currently dying. But I'm here doing a documentary on Mexicans. Park closed, please do not enter. GG's, the park is closed. The park is closed, GG's. The park is closed, GG's, look. GG's, the park is closed. Now, should I sneak in? Should I sneak in? I'm stuck. Fuck, my leg is stuck. Fuck, my leg. Oh, my leg is stuck. Bro, oh, my leg is stuck. Bro, my leg. Bro, my leg is fucking stuck, son. Oh, my leg is stuck. Oh, everything I love, my leg is stuck. Okay, I got it out. Fuck. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Okay, boys. All right. Oh, that wasn't a good idea. Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. That hurt. Bro, my ass, bro, my life. Bro, is my shit... Is there snow on my ass? Or nah? Okay. Let's try this bitch. I'm the first... Okay, hold on. Fuck! Okay, okay, yeah, I'm done, bro, I'm done this shit. Oh. Wee! 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 This is the jungle gym, okay? This is where true men were made when we were younger, okay? Only real men were able to go from that side to this side through the monkey balls. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, hold on, yo. Somebody cue in the Undertaker music. Somebody cue in the Undertaker music. Y'all see this right here? Oh shit, look at this. It's the yellow tape. You know what that means? That means somebody died. Bombo cloud. That means somebody died. Look at that. Y'all see the yellow tape right there? Wow, this shit is tragic. Oh my gosh, should I go down the slide? Wait, is this a slide? Is this a slide or not? Is this a slide? Yo, Chad, is this a slide? What the fuck is that not a slide? Do these motherfuckers got no slides? L fucking monkey bars, bro.
Go build a snowman, then go back home.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to build a snowman. I'm gonna keep it $1.50. Oh my God, you know what I just realized? Wait, you guys are technically like my children, right? You guys are like technically my children, right? Which means that technically I have to take care of you guys. Which means technically I am my... Is that ice? Technically, I'm supposed to take care of you guys and make sure you guys have a fun experience, which means that everybody strap on. Everybody strap on, bro. You guys are about to go for a ride. You guys ready?
We are not your children's dad.
Yes, you are, motherfuckers. Ready? Whee! 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 Put me down. Motherfucker said, we want to flip. Do a flip. Y'all want to flip? All right. Y'all motherfuckers want to flip? All right. Y'all motherfuckers want to play? Better not tell your mother. Better not tell your mother. Ready? 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 Oh, shit. Oh, my ass. Yo, if there was people around, they would think I'm fucking crazy. Okay, let me break down the game plan for y'all. I'm gonna jump on that, and then I'm gonna jump over. You guys see me? Okay. Oh, I should have done this in the first place. This is easy as fuck. I should have done this in the first place. This is literally easy as fuck, bro. Oh, there, I did it. Bro, I should have done that in the first place. Oh, fuck, how do I get the camera? Oh, fuck. Damn, son. I gotta go back to get the fucking camera. Oh, my gosh. Hold on. How do I... Damn, son. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh shit, my balls. All right, there we go. Aww, aww, how cute. Yo, homie in the chat said, nephew, we at the park. Oh, GG's my mom. Oh,